In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clear all conversations on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Snapchat app. Then get into chats, and once you did that, just hit right here at these three dots and select manage chats. You will be taken right here, and that's where you can clear any of your conversation in couple of clicks. So let's say I want to clear that conversation. I can just hit at that cross icon and then hit at clear. In that way, you can clear all of your conversations one by one. Just keep doing the same steps. Unfortunately, there are no option to clear all the conversation in one click. So if you want to clear multiple conversations, just keep doing the same steps. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.